Today the boys are visiting a lake. Join us on our nature adventures. We see some exotic species during this excursion like the Caleb.
Hola, yo soy Caleb.
The Jack, the Leo,
Like small
and of course the Evan.
content, man. Like, I do not know what to film.
We start in the natural habitat of the Jack.
Say hi to my like vlog and shit, bro.
Evan, where are you going?
Here we see a wild Caleb shooting
kill.
hoops. I mean, look at his handles, he's cooking like Jamal Murray. After such a long, intense hoping session, the boys head down to the lake.
Yo, rare footage, CS Majors going outside. That's the title of today's video.
I'm not a CS major.
Caleb just in denial. Yo, running kayak today. Look at this. Man, this is just so nice. You should all like take this as inspiration to go outside.
Let's get it civilized, please.
Sorry.
Get classy. Don't record this.
Tell the viewers to keep it classy.
Keep it classy. No, I thought you were ripping.
Sorry, my bad. I gotta get the content, bro.
Dude, you're just like not helping at all.
It's fine. You don't need my help. Yo, Jack feet pics.
Alright, ready? No, I go in first, okay?
Yeah. Okay. Nah. You'll figure it out, don't worry. I know you got that. Yeah, I did do. No. I did so much work. Okay, look at me. Look at me, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Bam. I look, you just want to jump into the lake. Just figure it out. Figure it out. Like, dude, this is the problem with our generation, okay? Like, you have kids who just give up. They don't want to work hard, okay? They just give up.
What the f?
Yo, we actually just like alpha'd a bunch of ducks, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. This.
You got the ducks reunited.
That's a cold shot.
The boys then venture onto an island. Here they witness the effects of pollution and the path sown by another wild species.
It's mad muddy.
That's just like a street.
Yo, why is it green then? Oh, there's shit.
Oh, there's tracks. Evan, yeah, this is good content. Evan.
This is good content.
There's a piece of shit right there, too.
Track, that's Evan's. Flowers.
My feet
You
are.
ever seen these flowers before? Evan, get these flowers.
Ow.
Bro, you guys are so.
What'd you call me?
Content. See that? Get a close up on him.
Are you sure he's alive?
Yeah, he's alive. He just put his head back in. Don't wait. Be careful. I don't know if you're supposed to do that. But it might be poisonous.
Are you serious?
No.
Alright. Welcome back to our segment. Cool. This is the segment cold ones. The questions are cold, but the water's even colder.
Stand next to Caleb.
Sorry. Alright, Caleb. What is your biggest regret in life? Caleb, what's your biggest regret in life?
Not living life to the fullest earlier.
God damn, this is a dry ass interview.
No, I'm serious. Like, I feel like I should have hung out with people more, gone out more in middle school, elementary school. I was like on such a grind. Even like first half of freshman year.
Alright,
Oh.
does pineapple belong on pizza?
Yes, it's awesome.
Can you stop leaning down every 5 seconds? It's like, yes.
All right. It's really, it's really good. It is good.
Pineapple belongs on pizza.
Yeah.
Alright, we're replacing it with a new segment. One white guy, one Asian guy on stream. The Asian guy's wearing a hat.
All right. This is what I've been thinking about recently is caffeine addiction. Do you think you're addicted to caffeine?
I do not.
Really?
I go on.
Significantly taller.
I go on a monitored, planned caffeine withdrawal every year from around June 1 to August 31.
Are you making this shit up?
No, I resume caffeine during the school year and I break the addiction during the summer.
Are you
I also
serious?
do not take caffeine on the weekends.
Are you big for real? Yeah. That's like incredibly disciplined.
Yeah.
I'm like that.
Your daily schedule look. Mine is like 5 a.m. wake up, cold shower,
Yeah.
and it's 11 p.m.
I wake up at 4:30 a.m. Immediately, I go out and hunt a deer to remind myself of what my ancestors had to do to earn their food. That takes about 5 minutes. I eat a little
Really?
breakfast, and then I go out to a park and walk for like an hour.
Are you serious? That's very sage-like of you. I don't think, since we've gotten out from school, I don't think I've woken up like earlier than 10 if I didn't need to.
Yeah.
After that beautiful interview segment, Evan acts on his urge to jump into the lake.
Self-improvement.
You're in it. Go. Hand me the oar. Hand me the oar. Dude, hand me the oar. Alright, Dave. You gotta swim to shore.
You can do it, Evan.
Alright. Post jump in interview, how do you feel?
God damn, bro. That is so deep. It's like I forgot how to swim first.
Yeah, he's fine.
I'm good.
As the night comes to an end, the boys, chilling in their kayaks, now enjoy a civilized conversation about feet.
No, in old Asian cultures,
I mean,
they
I
used to
get-
like small feet, so they'd bind up the foot,
Yeah, I've seen that.
and it looks disgusting.
I've
right?
seen that,
But like, so that
I
back
get
then,
that
I
you-
guess it was like cute and petite. Yeah.
You don't want like crusty nails or anything, right? But like other than that, what's like good or bad? Do you want like a thicker foot?
Like, what about a pedicure? Do you get a pedicure first?
I think the nails probably are like.
I think you want to get your foot taken care of, right?
But how do you take care of your foot other than the
You have
nails?
somebody take care of it for you.
What is taking care of your
You
foot?
scrape off the dead
washing
skin.
it?
You
What?
take care of calluses. You get rid of. I don't know. It just make it like. Actually, I wouldn't know.